Hey everyone, today we are making chicken broccoli pizza dough rolls. Loaded with tender chicken, sauté onions, and broccoli, these rolls are seasoned to perfection and baked until golden. They are the perfect easy-to-eat appetizer for game night that the whole family and friends are going to enjoy. First up, let's prep the filling. Chop half a cup of red onion and add it to a preheated wok with 2 tablespoons of oil. Give it about 4 minutes over medium-high heat until the onions are translucent. Next, grab 4 boneless chicken thighs and dice them into bite-sized pieces. Toss those into the wok so they can brown and infuse with the onion flavors as they cook through. Then season that well with salt and pepper to taste. Up next, we are peeling and chopping 2 cloves of garlic for that bold aromatic punch. Saute that for just 1 more minute to let those aromatics really shine. Take a head of broccoli and break it down into small, bite-sized florets. We'll need about a cup for this recipe. Add those into the wok and saute for 2 to 3 minutes until they're perfectly tender. For a heartier texture, we're adding 1 cup of sliced cremini mushrooms. And give it a good stir for a few minutes until they're perfectly soft. Now, let's build the flavor. Add a teaspoon of chicken bouillon and 2 tablespoons of water. Follow that with a tablespoons each of Worcestershire and Maggi sauce for maximum umami. Plus a tablespoon of yellow mustard for a perfect tangy kick. Give everything a thorough stir and season with salt and pepper if needed, and the filling is done. Now that the filling is cooling, it's time for the dough. Grab 600 grams of pre-made pizza dough and roll it out to a 1/4 inch thick with a light dusting of flour for easy handling. Next, grab a 2-inch circular cookie cutter and start stamping out your dough circles. Place a generous tablespoon of that savory filling right in the center of your dough circle, then top it off with a cube of fresh mozzarella. Gently stretch the edges of the dough up and over the filling, then give it a firm twist and pinch to make sure everything is sealed tight. Then line them up on your baking sheet and brush the tops with a little olive oil. Top them off with a bit of fresh parsley and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. Once they're out of the oven, these rolls are best enjoyed while they're still piping hot and the cheese is nice and melty. We love dipping ours into a homemade spicy marinara. That tangy kick perfectly balances out all the savory chicken and veggie goodness inside. We really hope you love these chicken broccoli pizza rolls as much as we do. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy snack ideas like this. And we will catch you in the next one.